Hello everybody, I hope you enjoyed the story of Mr Skinny that I read you by Roger Hargreaves. I'm actually going to do an activity now, which if you would like to take part, what you will need is a pencil, a piece of paper and some felt tip colouring pens. We are going to create a Mr Skinny picture, and as you can see on the drawing, it's a very long, thin body, and we have a little bit in the middle where he has his hands, and at the bottom he has his legs, and then he has a little hat. So we are going to create a Mr Skinny. First of all, what you need to do is, on your piece of paper, from the middle up, you're going to create a long, thin shape that goes up and around. So halfway up the page, you're going to go up, and then you're going to curve it round a little bit and come back down, and then you're going to stop. You're going to leave a little gap, and then you're going to go back down, round, and then join it back up to the top. Now in the middle where we've left this gap, we are now going to go, as you can see on the picture here, his hands go out, and then he's got 4 little round fingers. So we're going to go out, then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to join it back in. And then on this side, we're going to go out, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then join that back in as well. Now, as you can see at the bottom here, he has tall body, and then he's got long legs, and then just a big round bit for his shoe. So we're going to go down, then we're going to go round, and then up. And then we're going to come back down on that same line, go out and round the other way to create the other foot, and then join it back together. Now, in the middle of Mr Skinny's face, about 3/4 of the way from the bottom up, he has his 2 eyes. And then a little bit down, we have a round nose. And then we have a big curved smile. And he has a red hat, which is very tall and skinny. So we're going to do the round curve here for the base of the hat across his head. Then we're going to go up at a little curve, straight across, and then down. Now, that is the outline of the body. So with our felt tips now, we are going to use the red to colour in his hat. We are going to use the colour green to colour in his nose. And then you are going to need yellow for the body. So we're going to colour in Mr Skinny's body in yellow felt tip all the way round and down. Just leaving his eyes ready for us to colour those in a minute. And you're going to colour that all the way down. All the way down to the bottom of the body. Making sure you stay in the lines. And then remembering to colour in his hands and his arms. And his legs. And his feet. And then for the last bit, you will need a black felt tip to colour in his eyes. And then you can just go over his smile. And there you have Mr Skinny. by Roger Hargreaves and Mrs Michael's version. I hope you enjoyed it. Have fun.